Alright, so I'm back out here. I'm about to do a reveal of the truck. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it, but I'm gonna reveal it now on YouTube and turn around here and show you what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see, finished up the grill, the bumper, and we'll come around back here. Truck is dirty. I've been drying the past day or two. And there is the rear roll pan. So I got that. Also got the axle dump under there. And this is actually a fully functional back here. So pull the pin out, pull the license plate out, I can put my hitch in there and I can still tow. So I think it turned out really well, especially with the smoked out fog lights over here. I didn't know how I was going to feel about it, but it turned out really well actually. And obviously out here in Ohio, there's bugs all over the front grill. But there's still a few things I want to do. That's on down the road. This was the big item. And in a separate video, I'll probably be posting up the cost of everything in case you want to do this. But if you have any questions, go ahead and post in the comments below, and I'll see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, as well as follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. So see you next video.
Like a Hellcat.